Hi, this is Sonja. This is the Ich Wieder podcast, and today's podcast is about microgreens. I have collected a few questions that have been asked yesterday, and I thought to provide the answers in today's podcast. So, what are microgreens? Microgreens are the baby vegetable of the fully grown vegetable. So, for example, you can have a broccoli or you can have a broccoli microgreen. The microgreen is the shoot or the baby vegetable of the eventually grown broccoli. So if these microgreens are allowed to grow to adult size, they would produce the vegetable, the broccoli vegetable that we know. And these microgreens are available in different types of vegetables, obviously. So we eat them for health benefit and also for taste. And I've been asked, what are the health benefits of these microgreens? The answer is they have a lot of health benefits. They contain more vital nutrients than the actual grown plant. Yes, and that is kind of mind-blowing, but it's been established through research and that I have also read, and a lot of nutrients are concentrated in these microgreens. And each microgreen has different health benefits and different composition of phytonutrients. So hence we grow a variety of these microgreens on our farm to cover most nutrients with the vegetables. I've been asked, what are the advantages of choosing microgreens over the grown vegetable? Microgreens are, because of their high nutrient density, very efficient nutrition. You would have to eat a high quantity of vegetables to get the same nutrition which you can get from a few greens. And remember that each small green contains more nutrients than the grown plant. This is scientifically established. So it is perfect for busy office people, mothers, people who don't usually like a lot of vegetables, for them to eat a small amount and achieve maximum nutrition. What are the advantages of choosing microgreens over supplements? Well, the microgreens have a double benefit here because they are more effective than shop-bought supplementation. So if you look at a multivitamin that you can buy in the supermarket, you will find that they have a range of vitamins, but not as much minerals and phytochemicals as microgreens. Microgreens can have 400 phytochemicals which are good for you. And then if you have a multivitamin from the supermarket, you may get 10 vitamins, So, and what is more, these vitamins in the supermarket are synthetically made, which means they're artificially made in the laboratory. But the microgreens are grown. And because of that, they have hundreds of phytochemicals. So not only do you get more nutrition, but you also get grown nutrition, which ensures that the body can absorb it better. Absorption is not guaranteed with artificially made vitamins. The ratio with which artificially made vitamins can be absorbed is called bioavailability. And the microgreens have 100% bioavailability because they are grown and not made. Next question, what kind of microgreens do you grow? Well, I have created 3 different Nutri boxes with microgreens. The first one is called Pure Essentials. The next one is Nutrient Professionals, and the third one is Performance Coach. And they are a combination of broccoli, pea, alfalfa, China rose, mustard, kohlrabi, and rucola microgreen. How long do the microgreens last? Well, I deliver freshly harvested microgreens via refrigerated delivery anywhere in Spain. So in general, you get next day delivery from farm to your table. The greens are guaranteed to last 7 days when kept in the fridge, but with proper cooling, they can also often last longer. Next question, can I eat them raw? Yes, totally, you can eat them raw. Actually, if you eat them raw, you have all the nutrients intact because cooking can sometimes destroy some of the nutrients. But then again, cooking is better if you have a weak digestion and you're advised to cook your food. Otherwise, you're okay to eat them as raw, as a snack, as a nutritional add-on in sandwiches, salads, or just pop them in or on your food, your meals. Do you think microgreens are better than the grown vegetable? Well, yes, one microgreen has more nutrients than the adult vegetable which grows from it. Obviously, in that case, they're better. They don't have as much fiber. So, but if you're after the nutrients, yeah, definitely better. However, this question gets me, this is my pet peeve, actually. This question gets me going because it starts me off on a rant about nutrients and how our agricultural system has managed to degrade the nutrient density of our foods through the degradation of soil, the use of pesticides, and artificial fertilizer. As a nutritionist of Ayurveda, I prioritize growing highly nutrient-dense foods the natural way. We use food-grade trays, organic seeds, and ecological soil to grow our greens. We also experiment with light to increase nutrient density of our greens naturally. And this is translated in the taste of the vegetable. All our greens have their different unique taste and have this very intense flavor which accompanies organic production. People have said our greens are the best tasting greens on the market. Who can have my greens? Well, you have to be in Spain to order my greens. You can check the comment section for how to order my greens. I do not deliver outside of Spain for the time being. And yeah, so you can order my greens when you're in Spain. So these are all the questions for today, and have a lovely rest of your day and keep up the positive nutrition, and see you at the next podcast. Take care. Bye.